Hello everyone, it's Lani. In this second video, let's talk about is it easy to learn machine learning with a watermelon. Why a watermelon? Because China is the largest watermelon supplier in the whole world. Plus, I'm a watermelon lover, so I'm gonna use this watermelon as an example to explain you what is a machine learning. What is a machine learning? Before we get into this question, let's talk about another two concepts, classification and regression. What is a classification? For example, let's say I want to predict if this watermelon is sweet or not, and I only have two options, sweet and not. I can also do another task that I predict the sweetness of this watermelon. I can score them through 0 to 10. The first one is called classification because the answer is discrete. The second example is a regression because the answer can be continuous. Classification is a type of machine learning. If a computer can learn all the rules by itself instead of a human being sets these rules, then we call it a machine learning. And we can also consider it as a artificial intelligence. This task may sound very simple to you, but once it got developed, if it can solve much more different tasks, then the computer can be smarter and smarter. At some point, we believe that the Skynet will come true. But how would a computer learn all this stuff by itself? Before we jump into this, let's get to know two terms. First of all is a feature, and the second one is the label data. What is a feature? Everything you can know before you buy this watermelon. Then what is a labeled data? A labeled data is the key you want to predict. It is the sweetness of this watermelon. Once I had everything, then I can start to get to train my machine learning model to make it smarter. I have the data of this watermelon, and let's call this watermelon number 1. This watermelon has 3 features. First one, the color. Second, the sound. Third, the weight. I tasted it. It is sweet. I have the data of watermelon number 1. And what's next? Let us call this watermelon number 2. This watermelon number 2, we can get these 3 features as well. And we also tasted it, and it is sweet as well. And they are very similar features as well. That's it. This is everything for machine learning. The more watermelons you have, the more watermelons you tasted, and the more data you have, the better the machine learning model it'll be. And next time, with this machine learning model, all you need are 3 features. The color of the watermelon, the sound, and the weight of it. With the model, you can predict if this watermelon is sweet or not. But this example is super simple. Predicting if a watermelon is sweet or not is not a super easy thing. Just like machine learning itself, only 3 features are not enough. You need much more features. That is why big data is super important for machine learning. The more data you have, the more features you have, the machine learning model will get better and better. However, the main concept of a machine learning is that easy. All you need are features and label data. This is machine learning. It started from a very simple wish from human beings that a machine can solve problems by itself. That's why we had industrial revolutions that completely changed our lives. Luckily, the computing power increases exponentially in our generation so that machines can get better and better within a very short time. I believe that that machine can make our lives easier and better is getting closer. To get closer to that day, let's begin with predicting the sweetness of this watermelon. Okay, this is everything for today. And what is your opinion? Do you think it is easy to learn machine learning? Please leave the comments below and let me know. If you have any questions, please let me know as well. And next week, the topic is going to be, is it easy to recognize a song of Blackpink with an AI? If you are interested, you can subscribe this channel and hit the bell button to get notified when the latest video is uploaded. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.